Yeah. Ha. Get up! Look. Call the fire department. I'm scorching hot, charge the kid with arson. I blaze the spot, bring the heat. I'm a beast regardless. Sick flow when beast retarded. It's never a day I'm not on fire. I torch the stage, I'm amazing. Footprints burning to the pavement. Charred, I scar niggas to the 3rd degree. Beg my pardon. For those who never heard of me, I'm the author. I birth bars, propane, straight flame. I'm hot. 100 degrees. Fire 16. Ignite the flames. Everything blazing. Don't touch the pennants. I scar niggas, I'm caught a burn unit, I'm. And you not, hot. Get up! They say you killing it, baby. Well, go ahead. I get on stage, burning words right through your forehead. No one contain me. See, my brain contains octane, and that explains what I'm spitting is cold red. I'm like a machine gun spitting when spitting 16s of 16 coming at me, they all dead. Best remember the name Katrina, the girl straight flaming. And I brought flames with me, young and I'm dangerous. Once the campfire, nigga, who gon' contain us? Vroom, vroom, nigga, move on my way. I'm like a wildfire, forever stay blazing. It's a bonfire, they all die. I get so tired of spitting dope lines, head wrong. So fire, nigga, I got fire, and more fire, and some more fire, and more fire, and more fire, and some more fire, and more fire, and more fire, more fire, and more fire, and more fire. I got more fire, and more fire, and more fire. I got more fire, and more fire, more fire. I got more fire, and more fire, more fire. I got more fire, and more fire, more fire, nigga, more fire. Rah, rah, rah.